So, very good morning to students of standard 6th. In previous lecture, we just we have just went through our chapter number 2, means we are going through our chapter number 2. But in last second, we can say the last second lecture, means previous lecture, we have just studied about what do various nutrition do for our body. We have seen the importance of the food, that what does it contains in it. इस चैप्टर को हम अगर समझना चाहे तो हम बहुत सारा कुछ इसमें से ले सकते हैं. अभी एक 10th स्टैंडर्ड का लेक्चर चल रहा था तो उसमें फूड का ही सब कुछ आता था. तो मैं ऐसा समझा रहा हूँ आपको कि ये जो फूड का लेसन है ना, तो वो रेगुलरली इट विल कम थ्रू द 10th स्टैंडर्ड, 11th एंड 12th ऑल्सो, क्योंकि हमें इसमें से बहुत कुछ जानने को मिलता है. हमें हमारी लाइफ में कैसा फूड खाना चाहिए, कैसा लेना चाहिए, कौन से न्यूट्रिशंस हमारे बॉडी को ज़्यादा चाहिए, वैसे फूड हमें लेना है कि नहीं, ये सब कुछ फूड के अंदर आता है. दैट्स वाई वी हैव जस्ट completed in previous lecture that what does the food contains in it and why does our body needs it. Okay, we have just discussed about the vitamins, then vitamin A, C, D, E, K and the B complex also. Okay, and we have seen the importance of all that vitamins, also minerals. Okay, minerals and minerals gives us the growth. It helps in growing our body, okay, each and every part of our body. Then carbohydrates are there also. That carbohydrates gives us energy. Yes or no? Yes. So these were the things that we have learned in the previous lecture. Today we are going to learn about the balanced diet. Now what do you mean by a balanced diet? That is the first question. It should be arised in your mind. What do you mean by a balanced diet? क्या रोज और हर रोज हम जो खाते हैं वही खाना है हमें? क्या हम जो खाते हैं, हम कभी कभी फास्ट फूड खाते हैं, पिज़्ज़ा एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, बर्गर, देन सैंडविच एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी आर ईटिंग डेली, तो क्या वो सही है हमारे बॉडी के लिए? क्या सिर्फ राइस ही सही है हमारे बॉडी के लिए? क्या हम उसे बैलेंस्ड डाइट कह सकते हैं कि नहीं? तो ये प्रश्न है हमारे अभी कि बैलेंस डाइट हम किसे बोलेंगे और क्या है बैलेंस डाइट में हमें क्या रखना पड़ता है तो वो बैलेंस डाइट बनता है हमारे बॉडी के लिए. इफ यू नो दैट विच फूड इट्स टू बी टेकन and how much it should be taken and what type of food it should be taken by our body, then there will be a balanced diet. Balanced diet का मतलब क्या कि एक बैलेंस होता है. हम जो खाते पीते हैं, जो हम हमारे दिनचर्या में जो हम खाते पीते हैं, तो उसमें बैलेंस होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि रोज एक ही फूड खाओ, रोज फ्रूट्स ही खाओ. तो हमें अगर हम कोई ऑरेंज फ्रूट है, तो अगर हम ऑरेंज फ्रूट रोज़ खाते हैं तो उसमें से हमें क्या मिलता है? तो कि विटामिन सी मिलता है. हमने पिछले लेक्चर में वो देखा है. तो हमारी बॉडी में अगर विटामिन सी बढ़ जाता है तो उसका साइड इफ़ेक्ट हमें दिखने को मिलता है. एंड सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू डोंट नो, देन वन थिंग इज दैट यू कैन आस्क टू योर पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो about that you should not eat that lemon, you cannot drink the lemon juice at night. Okay, जो खट्टी चीज़ें होती है ना, जो खट्टा होता है ना, तो वो आप रात को नहीं ले सकते. वो क्यों नहीं ले सकते? क्योंकि इट मे डैमेज योर बॉडी ऑल्सो एंड you may have a heart problem if you will take the lemon एट नाइट. जो भी खट्टी चीज़ें होती है, अगर आप रात को सोने के पहले लेते हो तो वो आपके शरीर को बहुत हानिकारक होता है. वन ऑफ द केस दैट आई हैव सीन कि एक बार मेरे फ्रेंड ने ये सब लिया था, लेमन का जो है उसने लेमन ड्रिंक किया था रात को सोने के पहले, फिर कुछ और खट्टा भी उसने खाया था, तो उसको सुबह से हार्ट अटैक आ गया था। तो ये चीज़ें जो मैं अभी आपको बता रहा हूँ, तो वो चीज़ें सब नहीं करनी चाहिए। वी शुड हैव अ बैलेंस डाइट। Now what does a balanced diet, now what does a balanced diet have in it? Which are the ingredients that is present in the balanced diet, or we can say which are the components of the food that is present in the balanced diet, or which type of food is present in the balanced diet? तो पहले हम बैलेंस डाइट को समझते हैं कि बैलेंस डाइट क्या है। बैलेंस डाइट हम इसे कहते हैं कि वी कैन कॉल अ बैलेंस डाइट when there is present of all the nutritions। बैलेंस डाइट हम किसे कहते हैं? तो कि पहला पॉइंट है बैलेंस डाइट, ओके। तो उसमें पहला पॉइंट क्या है कि उसमें सारे न्यूट्रिशंस प्रेजेंट होने चाहिए, न्यूट्रिशंस प्रेजेंट, ओके। मिनरल्स, विटामिन, न्यूट्रिशंस के अंदर सब कुछ आता है, yes or no? Yes, and that are minerals, fats, then carbohydrates, then comes to carbohydrates, then vitamins and proteins, vitamins and protein. Okay, and one of the thing that we have studied in the previous lecture was that about the fiber, yes or no? Which fiber? That roughage fiber. Our second name of that, it was a roughage fiber, and we can say it as a dietary fiber. Dietary fibers, okay, sorry, dietary fibers and water, yes, and last we have studied about the water also, this. Now in balanced diet all these things are included, okay, that things you should have in your food. If all these things, one of the things it may miss in the food, if there is a lack of one of the things from nutrition, water, or we can say dietary fibers, then it can cause or it can have many diseases in our body. Because I will give you one example. If I don't have carbohydrates in my body, the food which gives me carbohydrates, if I do not take that food, then my body will not work, because I will not get energy, yes or no? Yes. Then if I don't eat vitamins food, then my eyesight, then skin, bones, okay, all this will not function very well if I will not take all the vitamins, yes or no? So there should be, if there is no minerals in my food, then what happens? If there is no minerals in my food, then my growth will be stopped. I will not grow in a proper way. So in a balanced diet, we can say that in a balanced diet, there should be always a balanced nutrition in our food while eating. Okay. जो हम खाते हैं पीते हैं तो उसमें सारी चीज़ें होनी चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं है कि, वैसा नहीं है कि किसी को भिंडी बहुत अच्छी लगती है, फिर ब्रिंजल्स अच्छे लगते हैं, किसी को पोटैटोस अच्छा लगता है तो वही खाए, ऐसा नहीं है। यू कैनॉट ईट ओनली वन थिंग दैट यू लाइक, बट यू शुड ऑलवेज ईट ऑल द फूड that gives you carbohydrates, vitamins, mineral, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, dietary fibers and water. This is also important. Dietary fibers that we have studied in previous lecture, that it does not give कि ये हमें कुछ न्यूट्रिशंस नहीं देते, पर एक कहाँ पे यूज होता है हमारी बॉडी पे, हमारी बॉडी में, तो ये डाइटरी फाइबर्स है, तो हमारी बॉडी में जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है तो वो उसको निकालता है। एक किसका काम है, तो कि डाइटरी फाइबर्स, एंड डाइटरी फाइबर्स वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रेश फ्रूट्स, vegetables, okay, and water. That also I explained in previous lecture that water is very important, and if we are eating the vegetables, then some of the part of water is present in the vegetables, fruits that we know, okay. If our body needs all water at that time, if we don't drink the water, but when we eat vegetables or fruits, at that time our body consumes the water from the fruits and vegetables that we eat. Yes, so balanced diet is very important for our body. We should always eat a balanced diet. In a balanced diet, all these things should be included, that you have to see. If you are eating only moong dal or chana dal, then that is not a proper way of eating. You should always eat different types of food at different time. So all the minerals and all the nutrients you will get from that food, that is known as a balanced diet. Yes students, so many students are eating all these things that I have written here: pulses, groundnuts, soya bean, the sprouted seeds. We have done the activity of a sprouted seed, yes or no? In that activity we have just taken a moong, magdal hum kahe na, in a Gujarati we are saying a magdal, okay, that moong, and we have just put it in a wet cloth for 2 to 3 days, and after some days we have seen that it is grown, the roots are coming from the moong, that is known as a sprouted seeds. So that also you can eat, okay. South Indian dishes, it is not important to eat only the Gujarati dish. So we are staying in Gujarat, and if we are staying in Gujarat, and if you feel that we should always eat Gujarati dish only, then that is not important, okay. You can eat South Indian dish, East Indian dish, then North Indian dishes also, but you should know from this food what I am getting, okay. Then you can eat the flours, that is the roti which is made up of wheat, theplas and pulses and grains, okay. The theplas rotis which are made up from the pulses and grains, then cooked. So all these things you can eat in your daily life. You can eat any of the food, but we have tested, or we had 3 tastes of carbohydrates, fats, then vitamin, okay. So we have test also, we have performed the test, yes or no, in previous lectures, that which element is present, if it is which nutrients are present in the food. By performing the test we have seen. So like that also, if you have a good knowledge of the food, from which food what nutrients, which more nutrients I am getting, if you know that knowledge, if you know that thing, then it will be very easy to have a balanced diet. If you are eating burger every day or pasta every day, then it harms your body. You should take it while once in a month or like that. Otherwise you should eat all the things first of all, okay. In breakfast you have to drink the milk, that I have given the one importance of a milk, that milk contains all the vitamin except only one vitamin, that is vitamin C. हमारा मिल्क कभी खट्टा नहीं होता, अगर वो खट्टा हो जाता है तो समझ लेना कि सारे विटामिन निकल गए, ओनली vitamin C is present in our milk, okay. And you should always drink the cow's milk, okay. Cow's milk is not very thick, it is thin milk, so it is very useful in our body. The patient who are of a heart disease, okay, the patient जिसको हार्ट की जो बीमारी है, heart attack, or they have just done the bypass surgery of a heart and all these things, the doctor advised them to drink the milk of a cow, because it is very thin and it has a more importance or nutrients are present more in the milk. That's why. So with this, you can eat all this balanced diet in our everyday life. Vegetables, okay, for increasing eyesight. We have seen that vitamins, okay, we have learned in the previous lecture about the vitamins, from which vitamin what effect does that do to our body, which vitamin affects our body parts. According to that, you can eat the things. Then they have given the names of the carbohydrates also, okay, from which food we are getting the carbohydrates, from which food we are getting the proteins, and from which food we are getting the fats. So according to that, you should also learn and keep it in the mind, so that whenever you are eating the food, at that time you should know which food I am taking more or which food I am taking less. According to that, you can manage your table of a balanced diet. Each and every person today, अगर मैं एक बात करूँ तो ये सब जो फिल्म स्टार्स होते हैं, तो वो अपनी बॉडी है तो उसको अच्छी तरह क्यों रख सकते हैं? क्योंकि उसके पास एक बैलेंस डाइट की शीट होती है, इसलिए. देन वी हैव जस्ट मूड, वी हैव सीन दिस, that we should always take the balanced diet. But sometimes what happens, when we are just taking the balanced diet, at that time vegetables are there, then some of the fruits are there, then our mama is preparing on the gas stove. Yes or no? Yes, they are cooking the food, but sometimes it destroys the vitamins and minerals that is present in the food. Yes or no? Yes, it destroys when we are eating these things, it destroys the what does it destroy? It destroys the minerals and protein. Then means it destroys some of the nutrients if it is cooked at very high temperature. So that should be also kept in our mind, that we should not always heat it at a high temperature. Okay, so you should cook properly. We are not eating the raw materials of the vegetables, but we are having a cooked food, a cooked vegetable. At that time you have to see it is not cooked at high temperature. Some of the water is only added to the food. When we are making the food, at that time we are adding the water. Yes or no? Yes, at that time you should add some amount of water only. If the water is more, then it takes more heat to boil. Okay, and if the water is boiled at high temperature, at that time the food is also boiled with it. Okay, so it will destroy all the nutrients present in the food. अगर आप जो वेजिटेबल आपके घर पे है, अगर उसको पानी में आप डालते हैं, फिर उसको उबालना शुरू करते हैं, तो पानी का टेम्परेचर कितना है जब वो उबलता है तब? तो 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है. Okay, that 100 degree, when the water reaches at 100 degree Celsius, at that time it heats up and it changes into a vapor. Okay, but at that time also, at same time the food is also boiled with it. Yes or no? Yes, and the nutrients are destroyed in it. Then we should always take care about the vegetables or anything that we are taking from the market. We should wash it properly first of all, and we should not wash many times, because some of the food are there, by washing it many times, it also means if you are washing it for many times, then there will be a wash of its nutrients that is present on the upper surface of the fruits. The next thing is that 1 minute. Then next thing is, these are the precautions you should take while preparing the food and not losing all the properties or all the nutrients that is present in the food. Okay, first of all, first one is you should not heat at a high temperature or for a long time. Okay, so we can write here not heat for a long time. For a long time. Then second one is that you should always wash it, but you should not wash for a many times. Second point is that you should not wash any vegetable for a many times. Then third one is that third one, they have given the example of a rice to understand these points. Okay, when you just wash a rice, आप जब राइस बनाते हो तो फिर रो राइस लेते हो, फिर पानी में भिगोते हैं, यस और नो? यस. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू आर पुटिंग इन गैस स्टोव एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू आर डूइंग. देन बट उसके पहले आप अगर उसको 3-4 बार आप धोए ना इस राइस को, then minerals and nutrition with fats which is present in rice, it will be destroyed. So you should always take care of all the things. You should not add more water. Add more water in vegetables while cooking. While cooking. Okay, so these are the 3 to 4 points that you should always remember, that you should take care while washing, while cooking. Okay, you should take care, otherwise if you will wash it properly for many attempts, then all the nutrients present on the upper surface of the vegetables or the fruits, it will be destroyed. And one of the thing is that when you are removing the upper part of the or the upper surface of the fruits, if you take an example of a orange, and if you are removing that upper part of the orange, okay, means you are doing the peels. Okay, आप जब उसकी छाल है वो निकालते हैं तो उस टाइम हमें पता नहीं होता कि कुछ एलिमेंट्स एंड मिनरल्स आर ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट ऑन द अपर surface of the fruits. Okay, in a apple, if we are removing the upper surface of that apple that is of a red color, then there are more nutrients present on that than inside. ओके, जो लाल कलर के, जो रेड कलर के जो उसका अपर का सरफेस है ना, वो अगर हम निकाल देते तो उसमें से न्यूट्रिशन निकल जाते हैं. यस और नो? लाइक दैट यू शुड ऑल्सो नो हाउ टू यूज दैट फूड विथ न्यूट्रिशंस आर प्रेजेंट इन इट एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. Okay, you should take care about the food also. First of all, in the mind you should be having the balanced diet table in your mind. Okay, then after that, vitamin C is easily destroyed. Vitamin C is easily destroyed when it is destroyed while cooking. Okay, so अगर आप कुकिंग में विटामिन सी, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इस फूड से हमें विटामिन सी मिलता है, तो वो विटामिन सी वाले जो फूड्स होते हैं तो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा उबालना नहीं है हाई टेम्परेचर में. मैंने यहाँ पे पॉइंट एक लिखा ना, नॉट हीट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. उसको ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर नहीं देना है, क्योंकि अगर आप ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर दोगे उसको तो क्या होगा, तो उसमें से विटामिन सी निकल जाएगा. Each and every food should be cooked very properly in enough temperature with a proper amount of water in it. Okay, so you will get while you are eating that food, you will get the nutrients from that food. Yes or no? If you will cook more, or if you will provide more heat, or you will add more water in it, then there will be no nutrition present in that food while you are eating. So these all the factors are coming under the balanced diet. Okay. So students, we have just completed our 2.3, that is balanced diet. Okay, and we have seen the meaning of a balanced diet कि balanced diet असल में होता क्या है. ओके, और बॉडी को क्या चीज़ ज़्यादा चाहिए उसे हमें पहले पता लगाना चाहिए, फिर हमें फूड लेना चाहिए उसके हिसाब से. ओके, व्हेन वी आर गेटिंग इल और समटाइम्स ऑल दिस थिंग्स comes in our body, or diseases are spread in our body, at that time we are visiting to a doctor. Okay, after doctor says that you have to eat this food, because that foods nutrients are absent in our body. That's why they are saying you should eat this fruit or this vegetable, you should not eat chapatis or that rotlas and all these things. Okay students, so it includes in a balanced diet. Okay, now I think that you have understood about the balanced diet, and you will also take care about your food, and you will also make a sheet of your balanced diet. Yes or no? You should also make a sheet about the food that you are eating in your day to day life, and after that you can see which things that I am taking, okay, with things that is means with things that you get from that food which you are always eating. Okay, according to that you can make a sheet, and you can change your balanced diet also, and you can have a good balanced diet in your daily life. So every student eat healthy things. Okay, stay safe, and last thing is that goodbye everyone, and have a good day. Okay students, we will continue in next lecture this chapter, and we will try to finish it. Okay students, thank you and have a good day.